Khubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka net footage ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakher dog ying jongpi
Bon ngi bo jingkeli halade hangno ki brewi ki ba shushang makya man lakas ngi haki jakayo ki im bat ki shong ki sa haka jingwat banyak jong ka kinhon lum khubor jong ka Batesi TV kalalap dangshen ba kini ki brewi ki bumdon shu ya ki nongri nong sumar bat ki bala jingai nala ki bahayeng hasem ki shong ki sa haka way ka shelter home bala penyat da ka way ka kinhon Tremon Ngobha ya ka bala tip kum ka Compassionate Minister International kabadan hagas nong Laumali Shillong kani ka kinhon kamday satya ka sengsan perthei lani ka seng bhalang lani ka seng jong kano ka kinhon balang henrei ka day penbantang ka kinhon jong ki katto kat ningot ki beriu ki badang don yi ka mensem isen ay ya ka jing imba sangsot jong ki waypat ki para beriu ki baju thia med hasurok ki basu sang makya ban laiwat jingbam kat ba ay ngobha ay ki beriu hagani ka shelter home kabadon ha ka jaka puli barim jong ka NIFT halaumali hadu menta ki don palat praphongot ki beriu ki bumdon yeng don sem ki bala ai jakathia bat penbiang ya ka bam kadi hakani ka Compassionate Minister International dangshen ki nongelam jong ka seng bhalang henyotrep National Youth Front Women's Wing hapo ka jingelam jong ka kong biti jerwa bat ka HNYF Shillong Region hapo ka jingelam jong uba bless dekhar kila lejngo ya kani ka shelter home ha ka bakilalap baki babon na kibasa ha kani ka jaka kidon kibasa lang bat ki khon kiti bat don ru kibasuthia pang klem don nong sumar bat lalap ru ba udon uway urang ba ubadai nagari China ubala poisa ha kani ka jaka kat kum ka jingyatho jong Manoj Kumar Narjinari kathong bakani ka Compassionate Minister International kalabu hakmat kalong ban ai ka jingya selok na ka benta ban penthamai biang ya ka jingim jong kini ki breu ki bala im kerni ha ka badi drop bad di kiat bad ki bala wan ban kala ka bamut hadin pakila like na ka jingsha set along
Kamu kini berkat kini I don't share kibri.
Come down here and sit. No,
yeah, no. Not even one rupee from the government side.
Government.
All these are the contributor from the public side.
Whatever you can do, we are doing promotion. He is from China.
Nino po China.
China, he is from China for 4 years.
Only Lindo.
Kini jagi mah? Kini kanus nam bila don hang ni ya? Lah kanus nam bila asa hang ni cakap. Ha? Asin. Kai ke jing kon mano pi poi ni kai ke jing bun poi piang ni. Dan to.
Công nhà trồng cà chua thì phụ nhiều chỗ đâu thì đồn mình thảo rồi tôi mình chắc thì quan gì còn kem lại kem trà nước thì ra là nghe này tôi lấy lấy
Bahayang masam jong pi sana pan.
ở đồn mình đó
Lain do.
Kiwan pe sini.
Pi dai ja you.
đến đó
Kaptang jong pi.
holi
Oli. Mukhim dan bahayang basam su.
không đó được mà lúc
Kai ke jing jong pi bo pin poi hang ni pin dan ayang asam jong pan. Kai ke jing jong pi thu ma kai ke pi mat ado kan ni.
thì nó sẽ belam masuk, saya masuk. Tanto belum sekarang betul.
Ang pitam bilor plastik betul po.
Kan, betul.
Mlasu ko pormat ka kimot. Tanus na man tapi dan ng kerta tu. Tinakaliang jang fi fi ajing rap ene sarkar. Ka sarkar kan pat rap e fi ma.
Penyelek, rayo.
Tiviya na niyo to pension teman gitu. Kabaay sarkar.
Semua ni masih penyelek, penyelek yang contoh si penyelek, game penyelek.
Tumot hila sudan nang ni. Mut hitam tenjat beras kato jing MFP. Hitam tu mentah him dan syuk kabor bak. Kerta jang fi kat ni rumah.
Pisuk pisong hang ni mama.
Terus saya mana?
Kabiang kabam eh.
Dia suruh
Toh, mama ngingin sabu tangga jing duai. Buat ngisan ang wan hakis ni kibanuan mo mama. Ma.
Kabam kabiang nang ni fiyo. Tinakaliang ka sarkar kamdan kono ka panjarap ifi mama.
Mundan naman pet ki Emily ki MDC. Toh, mama. Ma. Dan bawa ko kinsa klain suwa mo. Oh, toh.
Tahu misalnya nggak taksi nggak kali, macam pot lockdown cembiar kali lu, cerita lalang kumar arsene.
La kan no banay fila poison ni.
La ini bunai cang lah dan poi.
La poison ni. Te menta pi klam di su am.
Kalau bicu deh, itu kami yote madam.
Piston gumno.
Sistem ka liver, kalsium, protein sih, kaduna pelat.
Dari baduna ke bang tadi tu baduna vitamin mo.
Pi pila ihi kat tu apa pe ke jinglong jingman. Hang tu don ni wei ba sa po ong dok la phapo snam batam tenjot. Bat menta lawan bu i la subu i kum tu. Habang keli ai facility bagio mdon i. Nakaliang juga sarkar kham ai. Pi pe jang tu tang ki jakat fia. Pi pe jang tu tang ka jing khot jing suba. Ti nakaliang jing i ngim kini ki la sim ya ka jingket kli. Kat kepala menakaliang jekir kil ong ba kajing erap nyumyo i nak sarkar ka suai tangan ni ka cakaban sa hang ni hanrei ha ka liang ki jingdon kam kum ki breu ma nyim khen su to badai to ei ru hanrei kum ki breu ni kwa ba ka sarkar kan sim ni ka jingket klik kan penbiang iki jakat thia jakadam khamtam ka khoj ka suba khamtam babun hang ni fi bawan ban yarap di ki pastor babun di ki NGO ha ki breu simet ki badan kemen sim Kiba kene rekti juki ngi kibriu ngin la ya kanno ndai ka sarkar kadan kala lada kaman ka sarkar kala umdan ka mamla ka sarkar lada ka sarkar kan la fi khen pa ba ngin la che bu sai ngi sedin ki NGO bu sai ngi pa ba sedin ka sarkar ka dei man la kam dei man om ba kam la ka dei man ai hok ya ka long briu ka man briu kata ka dei ka jing sisa ka long briu human rai ka dei man pe tham tam thieng to bat khlung bat kena urang bat teman umdan jing rap ye na kaliang sarkar la kumno sarkar ka deban kene re kti kan penbiang ki marba mardi kan penbiang ki jing thia kan pe jing khoi ki jing suba la kumno ka deban rap kan.
Sir, since last year lockdown, we started this ministry 2020, month of March 23rd. So we started feeding the homeless people. Then lastly we came to know these homeless people, 99% they are drug addict people. So we are giving counseling to them, clothing and fooding. And this is a non-government, non-religious and non-political organization. So me and my team, we are doing this much, and this ministry totally run by the public support only. See, till today we haven't received any help from government, and this dinner given by this Sindhi community, and the lunch and the fooding and the counseling and the medical we are providing from our ministry side. See here around 80 plus and plus there are two homeless centers there. There also we are providing food, lunch to them. And beside this during the pandemic time, see before lockdown our staff they used to go for the donation to the house to us. But since the lockdown our staff they couldn't go. But by the grace of God I believe there's a God's provision. My friends they are sending donation from some of them from Delhi, some of them Bangalore, even from some local people since they came to know. Some of them they are bringing rice. Even last week we got 3 bags of rice from our locality headman. So by the public donation we are managing this ministry. See, we made these people in the homeless setup before in Basin and Municipal and Rhino. But since we came to know these people, 99% they came out from jail. So the DCS shifted here, some of them here in NIFT. So we continue to feed them since that municipal, even here also continues in last year, sir. When we meet the first time, they're like animal, but by the grace of God, since we are praying and giving counseling to them every evening, so lots of changes we have seen, and some of them, they totally recover from drug addict. So what I mean to say, our main concern is not only feeding the physical food, but the main concept of the drug addict people. So because of drug addict, they go for crime, and they have been jailed also. So just to restore their life. So it is not about the fooding, they need the spiritual feeding also. That's why I like to encourage all the churches and the people of Meghalaya should come together to restore their broken lives. See, if me and my team alone, we can do this much. If government, the public come together, how much will be changes will become to Meghalaya? It will be like a semi-heaven. So I like to encourage all the churches and the people of Meghalaya, every public, even the government has to be alert regarding the restoring the broken life. If there will be no young generation, who will be the next doctor, who will be the next pastor, who will be the next MLA and CM. So the young generation is very, very important. So I like to encourage all the people of Meghalaya, let us come together, join our hands to restore the broken life, especially the drug addict people. So they say actually through the friends, and I have heard they got the drug even in the school and the colleges, and because the friend circle, they got addicted. So when they got addicted, they have to sell the drugs. Obviously, they have to be like peddler. So one drug addict will produce another drug addict. So another drug addict, another drug addict. So how many Khasi, Garo, our tribal people here in Northeast? See, if it is continuing like that, all young people gone. So this all the public, all the churches, even the government, let us come together to restore the broken lives.